everybody? It's your boy Zach the Techie. Today, I just wanted to um, teach you guys some basics about C++. Teaching is the best way for me to learn, so yeah, let's get started. This one will just create a window and then make some shapes appear. So first thing you want to do is create a constant integer string. Oh, and by the way, this is the starter kit that you can download from Raylib's website that handles all the CMake and things like that, all the linking and everything like that. I'm not too familiar with that stuff, so I come from the web, so this is all learning experience for me as well. But anyway, you want to set a screen width and then a screen height. So we'll do 800 by 450. And then after that, what you want to do is init window. This creates a window. It comes from the Raylib library, and wait, does it actually? So you can right click. Yeah, this comes from Raylib. Okay. Or not right click, but if you control click, or I think on Mac it's command click on this, it'll turn this into a link, and you can see the origins and kind of see everything that goes along with that. Some of you may know this already, but for the very beginners, yeah. But anyways, back to this. So as you can see, your IDE should kind of tell you what you need. So you need it takes an integer, which is a width, an integer that's a height, and then some text, which is the title. So we'll do screen width and then screen height, passing those variables along, and then my shapes is our game. Okay, so now we'll do a while loop. So while not window should close, that's a function. Boom. While not window should close, begin drawing, which this will make the canvas for us to start drawing. So we made the window, now we're making the canvas, and then I'll run what we have so far to show you. Oh, and to run, you either press F5 or you press the button at the top. So now you can see a window popped up, and it's my shapes, or whatever title you made your game. And now to exit, you want to click the escape. Boom. And then any key to make the terminal go away. So after that, we also want the function close window. That will close the window as well. I think that has to do with memory. Yeah, like I've said, I've been learning for about a day or two, so I'll have to look and see exactly what that does. It may tell you close window and unload OpenGL context. Yeah. So anytime you don't know what something does, you just control click, and you can see begin drawing sets up the canvas frame buffer to start drawing. So the first thing we're going to do is put a circle on the screen. So we'll draw a circle. Yep, and it tells you what exactly it needs. It needs the X and Y coordinates, which X is horizontal, Y is vertical. It needs the radius and the color. So we'll do, let's just say, where do we want it? Okay, we'll put it directly in the middle. So screen with divided by 2, screen height divided by 2, radius will be, let's start off with 50, and then the color, let's do blue. And Raylib comes with all these colors that you want to set. You also want to set the background, clear background. I couldn't remember what it was called, so you just kind of start typing and then your IDE should tell you. Let's just make it, I think there's one called Ray White. Yeah, Ray White. So we'll set the background to Ray White. Otherwise, you'll just have a black background, and I believe that's the frame buffer. So yeah. Let's see what we got. Blue circle directly in the middle. Cool, cool, cool. All right. So now what we want to do, instead of just having the coordinates hard coded and also the size or the radius, we can do something like this. So we'll do int circle radius equals, or yeah, we can do this 50 int circle y equals screen height divided by 2, and then int circle x screen height divided by 2, or screen width divided by 2. Now what this does is, not only does it clean up the code and make it easier to read, but it also, variables allow you to change things on the fly instead of hard coding. So if we hard code these things, it's harder to like change what the data or what we're passing to the draw circle. So yeah, it just makes it a lot easier to kind of control like the position and the size of our circle when things start to change and it actually becomes a game. So circle y, and then circle radius. Alright. What is, oh, forgot the, don't forget your semicolon. And now, boom. Circle's still there. Cool. So I guess on the next one, I'll show you guys how to do user input and move this thing around.